Is your MacBook Neo stuck in an infinite boot loop? Whether this started randomly or right after a software update, don't panic. I'm going to show you how to break the restart cycle and get your Mac back to work with zero data loss. If your Mac is stuck in a boot loop right after a software update, don't panic. That's quite normal sometimes, so give it a few minutes and let it finish. But if it's happening randomly, first try to force restart it. For that, you have to press and hold the power button to turn it off. Then press once the power button again to turn it back on. If it's still stuck in a boot loop, make sure to unplug any accessories if they're connected. And then plug it into a power source. If the battery is low, it might try to turn on, but fail and keep restarting. Leave it on charge for about 10 minutes. If it's still looping, do a force restart while it's plugged in. In most cases, this should solve your problem. If that still doesn't help, try booting into safe mode. First, turn the Mac off. Then, press and hold the power button until you see Loading Startup Options. If there's no serious hardwire problem, you'll be able to enter startup options. Select Macintosh HD. Then press and hold the Shift key and move the cursor to Continue, and click Continue in Safe Mode. Your Mac will restart into safe mode. If everything feels stable there, it likely means some startup items might be causing the issue. Log in, then go to Settings and search for Login Items and Extensions. From the Login Items list, remove anything unnecessary from launching at startup. Also, go to Settings, then General, then Storage, and make sure you have enough free space. You can clear up some storage if needed. Once done, restart your Mac normally. And, as I've told you, if there's no hardware issue, this should fix the problem. Thanks for your time.